Hey, we are at the Normandy Park listing for the Brokers Open House. Check out this view here. We're gonna do a little walk through of the house real quick. So if you hear in the background, we've got Matthew Ferry and Thatch Wynn going. So little coaching call and available for all realtors, anyone that wants to come by to hear it too. But anyway, big kitchen there. Nice little view out there. Okay, going over to the movie room in here. So all of this stuff stays. Then we will just walk down the hall. Hope we don't run into anything. There, it's funny. So there's the front door, but that doesn't go out to anything really. So that's what's used as the real front door because it goes out to the water. Bedroom one. On the coaching call right now, they're talking about enlightened goal setting. So doing goals that actually improve your mindset and everything. There's the master, again, out to there, vaulted ceiling. Call this the Godfather bathroom. Bathtub there. So that's what we've got. Come join us for the open house if you want to see it. And I'll do these brokers opens again in the future. We're also too at this timing up right with the coaching call. So if you guys want to ever come visit, you can also take a listen to that too. Thanks for joining along. Bye.